Plato's theory of justice. Plato gave utmost importance to the concept of justice. An ideal state for Plato possessed the four cardinal virtues of wisdom, courage, temperance, and justice. The central question of Plato's Republic was what is the meaning of justice, or right conduct, or morality? He subtitled his book as Concerning Justice. Before giving his perspective on justice, Plato critically examined the contemporary theories of justice. There are three theories of justice. Number one, it is traditional theory. According to this traditional theory on justice, justice means telling the truth and being honest in word and paying one's debts. This theory believes that justice means doing good to friends and harm to enemies. Plato said justice is a great concept and it should have universal application also. Even if we agree that justice means doing good to friends and harm to enemies, we cannot ensure that because it is very difficult to distinguish between a friend and an enemy, as the appearances are often deceptive. Simply say that traditional theory of justice means doing good to friends and harm to enemies. And second type of theory is radical theory. This radical theory believes that justice means might is right. Only the strongest person will rule and whatever he says is the law. But Plato said if the strong person does for a bad law, then it is better to be unjust and to satisfy all than to be just and to satisfy the ruler. Okay? Radical theory simply known that justice means might is right. Only the strongest person will rule. What he say, it is the law. And third theory is pragmatic theory. This pragmatic theory believes that justice is an artificial creation. According to Plato, justice is not something that is external. Justice is a natural and consists of intrinsic value. It is about traditional theory, radical theory, and pragmatic theory. Like this, Plato examined the theories on justice. Now let's see about Plato's perspective on justice. After repudiating the above said theories, Plato propounded his own theory of justice. Okay? A state arises out of the needs of mankind. No one is self-sufficient. So we need the help of others to satisfy our wants. Each one of us has a talent to produce something. It is better for us to concentrate in producing it. All are producers. This specialization or division of labor is most suitable way of organizing a society. In the beginning, all we are producers. When some started producing exclusively, society reaches a flourished state. Now society has finally emerged and according to Plato's state. Okay, Plato's state consists of three classes. I already said it in previous video. Okay, first class rulers, second warriors, third producers. Okay, rulers. What is the individualization of rulers? It is a reason, and rulers are denoted by gold, and warriors. Second class is warriors. Warriors are the grey symbol for spirit, and the metal used to signify warriors is silver. And next one is producers. The individualization of class producer is appetite, and producers are signified with the metal iron by Plato. Plato, in his theory of justice, explained the theory of three classes and three souls. He pointed out that every human soul has three qualities: reason, spirit, and appetite. So he divided like that. With justice as the fourth virtue, architectonic in nature, balancing and harmonizing to other three qualities. Justice in the individual means that every individual was assigned a place in society according to one's natural aptitude and skills. Plato's purpose was to show how we are to live. Plato's theory of justice emphasizes on one class, one duty, one man, one work. Plato drew a parallel between three social classes and three elements of human soul. Each soul had a corresponding social class to summarize his concept of justice. Plato's concept of justice was based on mainly three core values. The three core values are functional specialization, non interference, and harmony. Okay, Plato has three classes, divided the state into three classes. It is rulers, warriors, and producers. And three core values is necessary for the Plato's concept of justice. It is functional specialization, non interference, and harmony. And Plato's theory of justice emphasizes on one class, one duty, one man, and one work. These concepts are very important. And there are some qualities of justice by Plato point of view. Those are: he should promote neither interest of strong nor interest of weak, but the interest of all. It should mean not only the good of individual but also the good of society. Justice is an intrinsic virtue. It should be pursued for its own sake. These are the three qualities of justice said by Plato. Okay, this is about three theories. It is traditional theory, radical theory, and pragmatic theory. And the main important one is concept of justice theory by Plato. Okay, this concept of Plato theory on justice is very important. Please note in your notebook about this justice point of view by Plato. This is very important question. Okay, don't miss to write in ruling class, warrior class, and producing class in exam. In next video, we will cover about Plato as first fascist thinker in this world. Thank you so much and all the best.